be mindful where you're stepping, okay? The other thing is, have you heard about brambles and nettles?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah. So basically brambles and nettles, what they are, you will find that in your garden actually. If you brush against them, they might sting you. And it hurts a little bit, but it's not poisonous. What large leaves, these are called dock leaves, yeah? What does red means? Red means danger. But we will show you certain berries that you can eat. A little bit about the trees. If people are interested today, I will give you a sheet where you can spot those leaves which I will be talking about. We work with British Bio today to link that with Hinduism as well, and to link that to Janmashtami. Yeah. The best and enjoy the walk. Most importantly, breathe the fresh air. It's very important. These rejuvenate, the body. You feel good about it.
You
slowly started feeling it. This is very special. It has special scientific interest with the plants here, but I won't go too much into details with that. It's called a triple SI, which means special scientific interest.
Yeah, I want to just say something about the Hinduism, how it's connected with the nature. Hinduism has always been an environmentally sensitive philosophy. The Mahabharata, Ramayana, Vedas, Upanishad, Bhagavad Gita, Puranas and Smritis, all our holy scripture contains the message of just preserve our nature and all the source of energy which one we get it over here. And especially today's work is most important, is connected with our temple, is to get the awareness in Hindu people about the natures and how we can protect our green land. So this is the particularly we all are just discussing during the work. I'll explain how the Lord Krishna, we are celebrating Janmashtami over here. Normally, we in our mind, Janmashtami celebration is always like one small cradle decorated and we just swinging the Lord Krishna over there and say Krishna Kanhaiya Lal Ki Jai. That's only not celebration of Janmashtami. What actual message Krishna told us, we have to just implement in our real life. Krishna, when he was young, he was a Gowar, just a cow thread. And especially Krishna told that you have to protect your natural habitat. So we have to protect all our natural lands, natural plants and nature's gift things. So that's why we are here today, and I'll explain a little bit more during the walk when we get the chance. So you all enjoy your walk over here and just try to remember what the Krishna says, because we all knows about the Lord Krishna. Majority all the Hindus are over here. They definitely know whatever the sampradaya you follow, but still the Krishna is everywhere. And in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna told in every living creatures, he is there. So in all the trees, all the plants, all the leaves, everywhere Krishna is there. So we just feel that presence of Krishna over here and just enjoy his birthday. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna. अपने शरीर के अंदर ग्रहण कर लिया था और पूरे जंगल को सोचते थे सबके लिए, not for the only one person. तो कृष्णा ने सबके लिए, अकेले उनके लिए नहीं. So, yeah. So he thought for everyone, and that's why he just did like that. We have to think all the other people who's related to us, all the other creatures who is related with us, and that's why he gave the respect and he changed his village. Yeah. So similar way that we are just thinking we have to change things because of what the opportunity get and what we getting from the nature. So according to that we changing our routine lifestyle. Thank you.
Now, British Bio was talking about changes, and if you look what's happening here, look at those leaves. First thing, do you know which tree is this? Somebody just said it, that's a horse chestnut. Have you ever played conker at school? So this is called the conker tree. Yeah? So basically I wanted to give you some nuts. Those nuts are not good for human being to eat. What you can eat is the sweet chestnut, not the horse chestnut. But normally who will eat those nuts are the squirrel. But what is more important about the changes happening in nature, look at those leaves. What's happening to those leaves? They are turning out yellow. And that's very strange at this time of the year. These leaves are they're not dying, but yeah, eventually they will die. Here is there's a leaf miner eating those leaves. And that's due to climate change.
यमुना रिवर ना हिलाओ हिलेવાનું છે આપણે यमुना रिवर વાળું કરીએ છે ચાલો આ પકડો આખું દૂધ હા અમારું ઉતાર અમે બી આ રેડી
So